Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are continuing the chapter matrices and determinant. In that exercise 3D here. Exercise 3D. In the third bit first question, that is given, show that the modulus of a plus b plus 2c, a plus b plus 2c and ab, a b and c, b plus c plus 2a and b, c, a, and the final term is c plus a plus 2b, c plus a plus 2b is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c whole to the power of 3 here. Here he is asking to show that modulus of 3 by 3 matrix determinant here a plus b plus 2c, a b, c and b plus c plus 2a, b, c, a, c plus a plus 2b, that is equal to 2 into a plus b plus c whole to the power of 3 here, and the solution for this one is given that a plus b plus 2c, a, b, c, b plus c plus 2a, b, c, a, c plus a plus 2a, 2b modulus is equal to, here first of all I am changing this c1 as c1 is changed to sum of c1, c2, c3, c1 plus c2 plus c3. So observe clearly, I am changing c1 here, column 1 here by adding all the columns here. So the resultant determinant is here. If you add here 1a is there, if you add to a this one, so 2a and 2b combinedly you can write 2a plus 2b plus 2c and a, b is common, and if you add all the terms of R2 here, if you add all the terms of R2 here, then C1 will become here 2a plus, if you add this c1, c2, c3, next 2a, 2b plus 2c, again you need to write the c2 as well as c3 as same. Next, if you add all the terms here, 2a plus 2b plus 2c and a, c plus a, 2b is common. And here if you observe, I am changing only c1 here. Here in this term you can write 2 as common, a plus b plus c and a, b, and if you take 2 as common, 2 of a plus b plus c and b plus c plus 2a, b, and 2 of a plus b plus c, a and c plus a plus 2a, 2b modulus is equal to, here if you take here 2a, 2 of a plus b plus c as common here, then what will happen? If you take 2 of a plus b plus c is common, 1 a b and 1 b plus c plus 2a and b and 1 a c plus a plus 2b here. Just I am writing the terms of a, b plus c plus 2a, b, a, c plus a plus 2b here, and this is common here, 2 of a plus. Here I am eliminating these two terms here by changing of R2 minus R1, then it will become 0, and similarly R3 change to R3 minus R1. Then automatically these two elements will become 0 here. 2 of A plus B plus C, 1 A B. This is common. Why? Because we are not changing R1 here. So 1 minus 1, this is 0, and B plus C plus 2A minus A, that is nothing but A plus B plus C. 2A minus A, that will becomes A here, only A. Already B plus C is there. So A plus B plus C. B minus B, that is 0 here, and 1 minus 1, 0, and A minus A, 0, and C plus B plus 2B minus B, that will become A plus B plus C here. So close the modulus here. And for this determinant 2 of A plus B plus C into 1 into this, if you eliminate the row and column here, what will happen? A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C minus 0, and A plus A into the determinant is 0 and plus B here minus A into determinant 0 plus B into determinant 0 here, and ultimately A into A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C, remaining all the terms become 0, that will becomes A plus B plus C whole square. Here 2 into A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C whole square, that is equal 2 into A plus B plus C whole to the power of 3 here. This is the solution for given determinant here. Here he is given 3 by 3 determinants, and he is asking to show that 2 of A plus B plus C whole cube. Here I am changing this C1 column 1, this column 1 as sum of 3 columns here. After adding all the terms here, this is a common term here, 2 of A plus B plus C here, and I am taking the common here. Here we are getting C1 as all ones according to the transformation of row transformations here. R2 is changed by with respect to the R1 here. R3 also changed here to make these two elements are 0. After changing these two terms, elements are 0. Finding determinants here, 1 into this term will become A plus B plus C whole square. So finally 2 into A plus B plus C whole to the power of 3. This is all about the solution for this question. And the next question is the next question in third bit second question, that is show that mod of A B C B C A C A B whole square, that is equal mod of 2BC minus A square and C square B square. Next C square 2CA minus B square, 2AC minus B square. Next A square, the question is B square, A square, and 2AB minus C square, 2AB minus C square. Modulus is equal to here A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. He is given one 3 by 3 determinant square is equal to one 3 by 3 determinant, and that is equal to one equation, one condition here, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC whole square. This is the given question, and solution for this one is I am taking directly this determinant A B C B C A C A B. For this one we need square here, so directly I am finding determinant for this one. So A into mod of C A A B and minus B into mod of, eliminate the row and column which is having B here, B A C B, BA CB. Next plus C into BC CA. BC CA. This is equal to A into BC minus A square. Next minus B into B square minus AC plus C into AB minus C square. Next let's multiply here. Let's multiply ABC minus A cube. Next B cube minus ABC, minus into minus become plus ABC here, and plus C into ABC, that will become ABC again, and plus C into minus C cube. So here ABC, 3 ABC are there, is equal to 3 ABC minus of A plus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. This can be written as A plus B plus C, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus of 3AC, if you multiply minus here. So this is the expression for this determinant, and this is minus if you take minus as common. So if you square this value, this is the only determinant value here, power 1, and if you square this value, what will happen? This negative value will become positive and it will become square here. So this is proved here. For this one it is proved. For this one it is proved. If here minus 1 is common, after squaring this minus will be eliminated. So it is proved for this condition, and I am taking one more time here. So mod of A B C B C A C A B into again the same matrix I am taking here, again the same matrix, that is A B C B C A C A B. Square is nothing but multiplying of determinant itself by one more time. So I am changing this determinant into different ways. See here, observe carefully. A B C B C A C A B. So here from this term to this term, I am interchanging R2 and R3 here. R2 and R3 I am interchanging for the determinant 2 here. So A B C B C A, sorry, I am interchanging here. C A B B C A. After interchanging here, I am taking negative symbol. So negative symbol for the determinant 1 here. So if you multiply the negative symbol, so what will happen? I am multiplying this negative symbol to C1 here, minus A minus B minus C B C C A and A B. This is determinant and first determinant, and the second determinant will become A B C C A B B C A. Here this is a transformation here. So directly I am taking for this one, this is a 3 by 3 matrix multiplication. According to that I am multiplying here, minus A into A minus A into A minus A square, B into C plus BC, and C into BC plus BC. So I am writing somewhat above here. So this is R2 is changed to R2 is interchanging R3 here, and I am writing this the multiplication here. So minus A into A minus A square plus B into C plus BC and C into B plus BC. Next minus A into B minus AB, B into C plus AB plus C into C plus C square, and minus A into C minus AC minus B plus B into B, B square, and C into A, CA. plus CA. And here the next one, minus B into A minus BA, and C into A plus AC, and A into B plus AB. Next, minus B into B minus B square plus C into A AC CA. Next, A into C AC, A into C AC here. And the next one, minus B into C minus BC, C into B BC, and A into A plus A square. And minus C into A minus AC, and A into C plus AC, and B into B plus B square. Next, minus C into B minus BC, A into A square, and B into B into C plus BC. Next, minus C into plus C minus C square, A into B plus AB, and B into A AB. So this is the final multiplication of a 3 by 3 matrix. According to here if you observe this element, I am writing the solution for this one. And here minus A square BC plus BC is nothing but 2BC minus A square, 2BC minus A square I am writing, and plus AB minus AB cancel, that is C square, and plus AC minus AC cancel, that is B square. Next, plus AB minus AB will get cancelled, that is plus AB plus minus AB, that will become C square here BC AB BA plus this is C square, this is C square here, but why? Because minus C into C, that will become C square, and this is C square here, and plus CA, sorry, no need to cancel here, CA plus CA, 2CA minus B square, 2CA minus B square here, and plus BC minus BC get cancelled, that is A square here, and plus AC minus AT get cancelled, that is B square here, and plus BC minus BC, that is equal to A square, and AB plus AB, 2AB minus C square, 2AB minus C square. So this is the answer for the second proof here. And finally these three are equal shown here. This first I am taking this 3 by 3 matrix and 3 by 3 determinants here. For that I am finding the determinants. The determinant for this one is, this is the expression, this is only for one determinant. Here we have square, if you square this value we will get 3 equal here, 0 square here. So then hence it is proved here. And I am taking this determinant here, again determinant square is there, so I am writing 2 times. So here I am interchanging R2 and R3, then it will become interchanges, and I am taking negative symbol. This negative symbol multiplied to C1 only. Now I am multiplying the 3 by 3 determinants here, and the determinant multiplication is here, and after eliminating the terms here, this is the final solution for this one. This is all about the question number 2 here. And the next question is third question. Next, A square, and the show that third question, show that mod of A square plus 2A and 2A plus 1 and 1 here, and 2A plus 1 here, A plus 2, next 3 here, 3 modulus close here, and is equal to A minus 1 whole cube. This is a question here. Here the question is a square plus 2a, 2a plus 1, 2a plus 1, 2a plus 1 and 1, 2a plus 1 and a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 here is equal to a minus 1. The solution is given that is given 3 by 3 determinant again a square plus 2a plus 2a plus 1, 1, 2a plus 1, a plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 here. And for this one I am changing R2 and R3. R2 is changed to R2 minus R1 as well as R3 is changed to R3 minus R1, changing row 2 and row 3 with respect to the R1 here. So the resultant determinant here a square plus 2a is common and 2a plus 1 and 1. Here R1 is remains same here, we don't want to change this one, I am writing as it is here. So 2a plus 1 R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1 is nothing but 2a plus 1 minus a square minus 2a. This minus term will apply for these all the terms here. Here 2a minus a square 2a plus 1 minus a square minus 2a, this is 2a here, and 2a plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled, 1 minus a square, I am writing this 1 minus a square. And next one 3 minus of a square minus 2a, I am writing 3 minus a square minus 2a, here minus applied to all the terms. And next one a plus 2 minus 2a minus 1. So a minus 2a, that is minus a, 2 minus 1 is 1 here. So I can write 1 minus a, this is 1 minus a, and 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here, and again 1 minus 1 becomes 0, R3 minus R1, this is also 0 here. And finally 3 minus of 2a minus 1, that is nothing but 3 minus is nothing but 2, 2 minus 2a, that is nothing, if you can write 2 of 1 minus a, 2 of 1 minus a. So I am writing 2 of 1 minus a here, and this is a final conversion here. And finding determinant for this one, so it will implies a square plus 2a, a square plus 2a is eliminate the row and column which is having a square plus 2a, 1 minus a into 0, 0, 0 minus this one 0, again 0 minus 0, and minus 2a of a plus 2a of plus 1 into eliminate the row and column which is having 2a plus 1, 1 minus a square into 0, 0, 0 into this thing 0, 0 minus 0 again, and plus 1 into eliminate the row and column here 1 minus a square into 2 into 1 minus a, 2 into 1 minus a of minus into 1 minus a into 3 of a square minus 2a. Here let us multiply here. So here 2 into 1 minus a square into 1 minus a minus of 1 minus a into 3 minus of 3 minus a square minus 2a. So let us multiply here 2 into 1 into 1 1 minus a minus a square into 1 minus a square, and minus a square into plus minus a, that is a cube, and minus of 1 into this thing will become, so I am writing the same, minus a into 3 minus 3a minus a into minus a square plus a cube, minus into minus become plus 2a square. So this will equal to 2 into a 2 and 2 into minus a minus 2a, 2 into a square minus 2a square plus 3 into plus 2 into 3a cube plus 2 into 3a cube. Next, now multiply minus here, minus 3 minus 3, minus into minus become plus a square, and minus into minus become plus 2a, and minus into minus become plus 3a, and minus into plus become minus a cube. Next minus into plus minus 2a square. See here minus into plus minus. Okay, fine. Next 2 into a minus 2a, 1 minus a square plus a cube, fine. And 2 into a 2 into minus 2a minus 2a square plus 2a cube, fine. And a cube, and here 1 minus 3 2a, this is 2a, and 3 here, this is minus 3a minus a cube, minus into minus become plus a cube, here minus into minus become plus 2a square. So I am eliminating this one, I am short forming here only. Here 2a 3a, that is minus 5a, here 2a minus 3a, that is minus 5a, and here also we have a square 3 minus 1 minus 3 and minus a square minus 2a minus 3a plus a cube and plus 2a square. Okay, fine. And now minus of a cube, I am writing first a cube, and plus 2a square minus a square, that is nothing but minus a plus a square here, and minus 3a minus 3a minus 2a minus 3 minus 5a and 3, and only number 3 is there, so I am plus 3 here. So now multiply minus here, 2 minus 2a minus 2a square plus 2a cube minus a cube minus a square plus 5a minus 3. I am multiplying this minus to all the terms here, so it will happen 2a cube minus a cube, that is equal to a cube, and minus 2a square minus a square minus 3a square, and minus 2a plus 5a, that is plus 3a, and 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So this is in the form of a plus b whole cube formula, a minus b whole cube formula, that is a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b minus plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula for that one. According to that, in place of a is there, in place of b 1 is there, so we can write of a minus 1 whole cube. Here this is a shortcut trick to find, directly you can write also, but if you eliminate the terms here, we will get small term here. If you multiply in the same way, we will get lengthy process here. That's why I am short forming this term here. So this is all about the question here. The solution is given 3 by 3 matrix, and according to that we are interchanging, we are eliminating these two elements here by applying row transformations here. This term will become 0, this term will become 0. After becoming these two elements are 0, I am finding determinants here. This is the solution for this question. And the next question is the fourth question. And the next question, show that, fourth question, show that a, b, c and a square, b square, c square, a square, b square, c square, and a cube, b cube, c cube, a cube, b cube, c cube is equal to a, b, c into a minus b, b minus c and c minus a, and is given 1 3 by 3 determinants. For that we need to show this is the one, and the solution for this one is given that a b c a square b square c square and a cube b cube c cube. So I am taking common a b c, a from this one, this column here, b from this column and c from this column. So I am taking combinedly a b c as common, a b c. So here a will gone here, a and one more a and here a square. This is b1 b square, 1 c square, and this is the determinant here. And here our assumption is to convert these two elements are 0 here. Our assumption is to convert these two elements are 0. So that's why if you convert this element is 0, what we should do here? I am changing this element. So here this is C2 and this is C3. C2 is changed to with respect to C1 and C3 is changed to with respect to C1. I am changing C2 is changed to C2 minus C1 as well as C3 is changed to C3 minus C1. And so for that ABC into C3. Here C1 is common, C1 is as it is 1 a square, C1 is common, 1 minus 0 that is 0. Next b minus a and b square minus a square, b square minus a square, and 1 minus 1 that is 0 again. Next c minus a and the next one is c square minus a square. Now ABC into, find the determinants here, 1 into b minus a into c square minus a square and minus of c minus a into b square minus a square plus 0 into this term will become 0 and 0 into this term will become 0 here, and ABC into b minus a into, here it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Our formula is therefore since, so a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. According to that I am writing this one, c plus a into c minus a. So minus of c minus a into b plus a into b minus a. This is also in the form of a square minus b square. That's why I am writing b plus a into b minus a. Take here C3. Here ABC, I am taking b minus a, c minus a, b minus a, c minus a. Here c minus a, c minus a and b minus a, b minus a. Here completely two terms are there. So that's why among between these two terms I am taking b minus a and c minus a as common. So the remaining term in this term is c plus a minus of here b plus a, and write ABC into b minus a into b minus a into c minus a into c plus a. If you multiply minus here, minus b minus a, plus a minus b get cancelled here. So ABC into b minus a into c minus a into c minus b here. So but here if you observe, a minus b is there and c minus a is common. This is okay, but this is not okay. B minus a is there and this is c minus b here. B minus a is there. So this is not okay. Only one term is matched here. So that's why I am writing this one is equal to ABC into, I am taking minus 1 as common here. If you take minus 1 common, it will become a minus b, and this term is common, c minus a, no need to change here. And this here also I am taking minus 1 common, then it will change as b minus c here. Minus 1 into minus 1, that will become plus 1. So ABC into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. This is the final solution for this problem. I am writing once again here abc into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. After multiplying this minus 1 into 1 will become 1 here. This is the final solution for the determinant 1 here. This is all about the session here. In next session we will learn new concepts here. Thank you.